There was a study I read and it was looking at the connectedness that countries have with nature. When I think about my experience and wanting that connectedness with nature, a lot of that is feeling like it's just not accessible, not safe for myself as a Black woman. Some of these places I feel like I have to go by car, and where we are at currently in the Waterworks Reserve in Lee Valley, this is accessible by public transport. I walked here, it's free of access, and I think a lot of people need to be aware that these places exist, but I just don't know how, like what role I can sometimes play in that. I have my own walking group. I have this page where I'm trying to show people these are the spots that you can access nature, and it's always great for your well-being. But I don't know what more I can do. So I'm always curious, like people's thoughts on how to improve people's connectedness with nature, especially like if you're in a city like London, it's particularly hard.